Defrost the chicken breast and make this super delicious and easy recipe. Let's start our recipe by placing one chicken breast into a pot of boiling water and let cook. Now cut it into pieces like this. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Latifah Jacobs from South Africa. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and beat until blended. Tell me how you make chicken breast in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. Now add half cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix again. Put the chicken that we cut in the bowl, add half cup of mozzarella cheese, half teaspoon of oregano, and stir all together. Now move everything to a baking sheet. This recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. Add zucchini slices, red bell peppers to taste, and mozzarella to taste. Now bake in the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look how delicious it is. Now you just have to enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.